Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install OptiFine for Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. It's an easy guide, so let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is download the 1.21.4 files so we can install OptiFine. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher. Then select the version released 1.21.4 and click on Play. When Minecraft opens, this means the files have been successfully installed. So we can click on Quit Game, and now we can go ahead and download OptiFine. To download OptiFine, first open your web browser and go to optifine.net. I'll leave this link in the description below. From here, click on the Downloads tab at the very top. Then, select the 1.21.4 version. If you don't see it, you might need to click on Show All Versions. From here, click on the Download button. You may need to wait a few seconds for the Skip button to appear in the top right-hand corner. Once it appears, click on Skip. Once on the download page, click the Download button and save the installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now we've downloaded OptiFine, we just need to install it. To do this, open it up. If you get this error message, we may need to approve it in System Settings. To do that, click on Done. Then, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner and click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, scroll down and select Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll all the way down until you find OptiFine listed. Click on Open Anyway. In the pop-up menu, select Open Anyway. You may need to use your Mac password or Touch ID. When the OptiFine installer opens, it will look like this. All you need to do now is simply click on Install. This will take a few seconds to install OptiFine. Once it's completed, click on OK. Now you can go ahead and delete the OptiFine installer if you wish to do so. Now we've installed OptiFine, we can open the Minecraft launcher. To play Minecraft with OptiFine, click on the drop-down menu and select the OptiFine profile. If you don't see this, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Once you've done this, click on Play. Then click on I understand the risks, and click on Play. When Minecraft opens, you know if you've done this correctly because it will say your Minecraft version with modded in brackets in the bottom left-hand corner. Now to go ahead and use OptiFine, go to Options, and then click on Video Settings. You'll notice that your video settings have successfully changed. Go ahead and change these to however you'd like. Once you've done this, click on Done. Now you can go ahead and start playing Minecraft with OptiFine just as you normally would. And that's how you install OptiFine for Minecraft on your Mac. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.